So right now, I'm going to give you the live tutorial on how to apply on China admissions platform. So first of all, you need to go to the link over here, which is the apply.china-admissions.com/search, and it will lead you to this page over here where you can find the programs that you wish to apply on to China. So there are about 4,400-ish programs available on our platform, and this might be confusing for a lot of you because there are, just way too many options. So what you can do now is you can search over here of the programs that you want to apply. For example, I'm interested to apply for computer science, so you can just write computer over there. You can just write the keyword, right? You don't need to write master in computer science, no need to do it at all. Just simply write the keyword of the program like computer or computer science, and then it will show you like 135 programs here of master, bachelor, and PhD programs in computer science. And let's say you want to apply for bachelor's programs, you can just click over here. It will sort all the bachelor's in computer program, and there are 38 English top programs found available to apply through our platform, right? And yeah, you can just basically scroll the page and then see all the options over here. Or if you have any preferred location or any preferred budget, you can just simply click the filter over here to sort the options, to narrow down the option. And then if you already know which university you want to apply for, let's say I'm most interested to apply in Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen over here, you can just simply click here, click the apply now, which will lead you to the program page. This is the page where you can basically see and get all the important information, for example, about the application fee, about the deadline, about the tuition, about the teaching language, and also about the location of the campus. So Chinese University of Hong Kong is definitely located in Shenzhen as of its name, and then you can see like the details of this program here, and also like here is the complete details of the program. You can also check the complete details of the university, and you can also check the accommodation. The dormitory looks good over there, and you can even get the price of the accommodation as well. And yeah, these are the admission process to apply to Chinese University. So choose a program, apply online, then enroll to China. And these are the documents that you need to prepare for your application, for the online application as well. So just make sure that you at least have some of these documents on hand. But if you don't have it at the moment, it's okay as well. You can always add it later. So yeah, to apply, you can just simply click this red button over here, the apply now button. So yeah, there are two ways. So if you already have an account on China Admissions platform, you can just simply sign in. But if you are a new student, you don't have an account yet, so you can just simply follow the steps. So fill in your email, first name, last name, password, and then also check your nationality over here, and then just simply click the create account button. So since I already have an account, then I'm just going to log in here so I can show you how to apply. So after you log into China Admissions platform, then this is the page where you will see all of your active applications if you already have one, or otherwise if you haven't created any applications yet, then this page will be empty. So in this case, I'm going to show you very quickly how to apply on China Admissions platform. Alright, so as I showed you before, so I'm applying for the computer science program, and that's why I'm choosing Jiangsu University. It's also like a good option if you want to study engineering programs and also computer science. So again, just simply click the apply now button over here, and then just create a new application, and then go to the next step to fill in the information on the application. And the next step would be to fill in your personal information like I did over here. So first one is to fill in your contact details like your email address and also your phone number. And then you can fill in information about yourself with your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and so on. And then you can fill in the language proficiency information like your native language. You can also fill in your English level, like depending on your level, and also the Chinese level, it depends on your level as well. And also the home address details. Make sure to fill in your current home address details because this is very important. So let's say later on after you receive the admissions, university will send the paperwork for your visa and also for the admissions letter to this home address. So make sure that you fill in the updated and also the correct information for your home address. And then the next part is to fill in your education background. So if you studied high school, bachelor, master, you can just fill it in over here. And another thing that I would love to highlight is please use your active email address over here because every of the updates or like if we want to contact you and everything, we will contact you via email, via your registered email over here. So if you register your inactive account, that it's going to be very hard for us and for you yourself to get an update from us. And after you fill it everything, you can just simply go to the next step, which is to fill in information about your family and also the financial supporter information. The financial supporter here means somebody who is going to pay for your studies in China. So here I give you an example. If let's say my parent is the one who's going to pay for my studies in China, so I can fill in my father's name over here and his phone number, his address, his email address, and everything. And then here is where you choose whether you want to apply on a self-finance basis, which means you are ready to pay all the expenses for your studies in China by yourself, or your family is going to pay it for you, or if you're going to apply for a scholarship or a partial scholarship, or maybe if you already have a scholarship from your organization, from external institutions, or any other institutions, just you can like click over here that I already have a scholarship option. But since I want to show you the applications on a self-finance basis, then I'll choose the self-finance. So next part is the family contact information. So you can fill in like your parents' contact details. So just in case there's anything important or if there's anything urgent, we will contact your parent over here. And then the last part will be the contact information in case of emergencies in China. So if you don't know anybody in China, you can also write the embassy of your home country in China. For example, because I'm Indonesian, I write the embassy of Indonesia in Beijing, China with their phone number and also email address. And the next part is for the survey. So here at China Admissions, we have different services that we offer to international students. We have the free basic service where we can help you for free with no additional service charge, but all you need to pay is the application fee as required by the university. And then we also have this premium service for students who are eagerly want to study in China and they want to get a guaranteed admissions to China. So it depends on your needs definitely. So I would suggest if you really want to study in China and if the programs that you're applying for is very competitive, for example like MBBS, or if you want to guaranteed admissions, you have high grades and everything, I suggest using the premium service so you can get a more personalized service from us. And also it includes the 3 application fees of 3 different universities as well, and we will review your documents before agreeing further with the premium service. And then we also will deliver a lot more services just for you. But if you think that it will not be necessary, right, it depends on your need. Again, you can also choose the free basic service. And this is strictly available only for students who are going to apply on a self-finance basis. And after that, after choosing the service that you want to go for, you can go to the next part, which is to upload the required documents necessary for your application. So here are the list of the documents that you need to upload. You can see all the details over here. So we basically already gave you some hints over the documents that is required by the university. And if you still have any more questions or doubts over the documents, feel free to check it on our YouTube channel because we have like the complete guidelines about the documents required by Chinese University and how to prepare for it. So if you want to upload your documents, you can just simply click over here. Just be sure to have like all the important documents on hand already. But don't worry, if you don't have some of the documents with you at the moment, you can always add it later. So for example, you don't have the remaining documents, it doesn't matter. You can just add it later and you can like go on to the next stage. Okay. So this is where you need to pay the application fee. So basically, application fee is required by the university. In order to process your application, prepare and send the admissions notice and visa form to your home address, and it is non-refundable. So here is the total of the application fees that you need to pay depending on the university you're applying for, because each university may have and may charge different application fees. So here, because I applied to these 3 universities, the total of application fee is $200. So again, it depends on the universities that you're applying for. And then you can choose like the payment methods that you are most comfortable with. You can choose credit card, WeChat Pay, PayPal, or bank transfer. So for example, if you want to use your Visa card, you can just simply click here and then click the Pay Now button, which will lead you to filling in the information about your email address, your card number, like the expiration date of your card, and also the 3-digit number on the back of your card. And then you can just simply click the pay button over here to complete your payment. And after you completed your payment, you can upload the bank receipt over here, or you can also email us just to let us know that you already paid, to double check with us. And then after that, you can just simply click the submit button. So after you submitted your application, then it will lead you to this page where it says that the current status of your application is in review. So it means that the China admissions team is currently reviewing your application. You can also watch the video from my colleague over here explaining to you what to expect after your application has been submitted. So basically, it means that we at China Admissions will review your application and will let you know if there is any more additional documents that you need. And if everything is completed and perfect already, we will submit the application to the university and we'll update you along the way. So after watching her video, to get more information about this, you can also book a call with us on Zoom so we can give you an update or a feedback about your application and let you know the next step. So here, if you book a call with us, you can basically choose the consultant to book with. You can talk to me or talk to my colleague Frank or Richard. But anyway, you can also contact us on email to apply@chinaadmissions.com. So what to do if you want to add more documents, because previously you haven't submitted all the documents, you can just click this button over here to add more documents. And then so you can basically write the document's name, for example, transcript, and then you can just choose the file and upload the document. Right, and then you can just simply click the upload document button, and then your document is uploaded to the system. So basically, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope this is useful for you and can be a guideline for you to help with your online applications on China Admissions platform. So now you see that applying to Chinese universities is actually very simple and very, very easy. All you need is like about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the whole application. And you can complete your applications to, let's say, 3 different universities or more just by doing the online application once. I hope this video tutorial is useful for you, and thank you for watching.